Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check if your Windows license is a retail, OEM, or volume license. And now, let's get started. First, open the Windows search bar and type the word store, then select the Microsoft Store application. In the Microsoft Store search bar, type ShowKey Plus and press Enter. Locate the app titled ShowKey Plus and install it onto your system. Once the installation is complete, click the Open button. The application may take a few moments to launch as it can be a bit slow. When it successfully opens, it will display the type of license key you have. This could be an OEM key, and the application will also provide details about the OEM edition. If your license is a retail key, it will clearly state that. Similarly, it will identify if you have a volume license. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.